How to adjust groups in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open your Monday.com board. Navigate to the board where you have multiple groups. Groups help organize tasks by categories, priorities, or project phases. Click on the group name. Locate the group title and click on it. You will see options to rename, duplicate, delete, or move the group within the board. 3. Rearrange groups by dragging. To change the order, simply click and drag a group to a new position. This helps in reorganizing priorities easily. 4. Change group color for better organization. Click on the 3-dot menu next to the group name, select Change Group Color, and pick a color that helps you differentiate between groups. 5. Merge or split groups. If you need to merge 2 groups, move all tasks from one to another manually. To split a large group, create a new one and move relevant tasks. 6. Adjust group permissions. If you want certain team members to view or edit specific groups, go to Board Permissions and customize access. 7. Save and apply changes. Once adjustments are done, click Save to confirm your settings. Your groups are now optimized for better workflow.